So, hello everyone, welcome back to the Codersarts. So, in this video series, project idea series, we are going to discuss about a new idea which is known as the music box, like a music player, and we have named it as a tune box. You can also name it according to your own compatibility. So, it is basically your personal music application idea. So, let's move to the introduction part. Uh, in introduction, a tune box an intuitive and customizable music application designed to enhance your listening experience. This project serves as an excellent Android application development endeavor for beginners. So, if you're a beginner, you have a great opportunity to create this mobile application and offering a simple yet engaging the platform, exploring and enjoying your favorite tunes. So, let's move to the next slide. What is the problem statement here? So, problem statement is nothing but a traditional music application may lack of customization option and user-friendly interface designed by music enthusiasts. So, additionally, beginner in app development basic project that's allow them to gain experience without overwhelming the complexity. So, we are in the traditional music player where they have the some lack of customization, but in your own application you can just create and customize according to your need and just go for it. So and what is the solution for it? So the solution overview: Teambox address the challenges providing with the user with a simple and feature rich music applications, so that prioritize the customization, usability and flexibility. So in this application we are going to provide a simple user interface and the rich feature music application, so in which we can going to provide the prioritize the customization, usability and flexibility. So with this minimalistic coding requirements and the readily available tools, libraries, so we are going to use various libraries like exo players and others. So Teambox serves an ideal project for the beginner to explore Android app development. So while creating this practical and enjoyable product. So in this we are going to sorry. So while this we can going to create a practical and enjoyable product. So thank you everyone. So if you have any idea a music player, if you want to build a music player or any other ideas you have, so you can just drop a mail to us, contact at the recorder us. So thank you everyone. Thank you for your support.